check this out.
You see
I mean,
it better from
yeah,
there.
there we go, right up there. Heights Hardware. Been here since what, 1911.
Yeah.
This is Andy from Heights Hardware. That's the best part of a good hardware store, is the people who know what they're talking about, know where the stuff is. Tell me not to use that kind of paint because it's a bad idea or whatever. Oh, and the cool stuff in the window. Look at that. Oh, wow. That's one of the sad things about big box hardware, is that you can't put cool stuff in the window. Ah, tin ceilings. Yeah, look at that. Oh, where's your? Oh, there's your rolling ladder. Oh man. Let's go way up. Oh, that's the way to get up there. I wish I had one of those for my bunk bed when I was a kid. Look at this. You want one of those? I got one of those. Mix up the paint.
This back section we built back in '96, '97, around then. That's when the big box invasion was happening.
Right.
And my dad had the foresight to expand. Our store used to basically end here.
That was it.
Well, there was like an old, I don't know what you'd call it, old garage. I guess you'd call it. And there used to be a door over here that kind of entered it, and then we had it really wasn't a retail space.
Right.
So this gave us a hell of a lot more space. I mean, look, we're only like 1,700 and 17 and a quarter square feet.
Right.
Retail. So I mean, we
that retail 1,700 square feet. That's like my house. That's great.
It's
Get all this stuff into one little spot.
But one of the guys kind of said yesterday, says it's carefully curated. We have everything.
I like that phrase. Carefully curated hardware.
We have everything that the neighborhood needs. We don't have too much fluff.
No, but you got the weird stuff that people don't realize they need until they can't find it anywhere.
Like me.
And I think as far as we sell Benjamin Moore paint.
And
I think we are probably one of the oldest in the state that sells that. I mean, one of the oldest dealers in the state.
Yeah.
As far as we've been carrying that stuff since the beginning of time.
I don't like that wall. It's too new.
Well, I wish I had.
Actually, but are the tools? Do they have wood handles?
Yeah.
You got one.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Well, those are fiber. I kind of get what I can at a good price, and some people like the fiber, some people like the wood.
Stick all the
Had too many
belts
fibers
for every
break.
possible thing up in the eaves here. You got all those belts and whatnot.
Is that fellow young?
I'm gonna peek in here. I gotta peek in here. Yeah, more paint stuff. This is great. Heights Hardware.
Is that a key thing?
Yeah, making keys.
Is that what that is?
I think that's a paint shaker.
mixer.
Yeah. Island
You know,
Heights.
you might need some toilet paper.
Yeah, well. Paper towels, tablecloth. Cool.